Raise your hand if you've ever felt like your body is just broken. Yeah, same. Tired all the time, wired at night, achy for no reason. But here's the truth. Your body isn't broken. It's confused. It's running ancient hardware on modern software, and nobody gave it the update notes. Most people think ancient lifestyles are about caves and spears. They're not. They're about rhythm, sunlight, movement, food, rest, connection, in the order your body actually expects them. And here's the part that changes everything. This isn't folklore anymore. It's peer-reviewed. Researchers studying modern hunter-gatherer tribes, the ones still living close to how humans lived for 300,000 years, keep finding the same thing. Almost no heart disease, almost no anxiety disorders, blood pressure that doesn't rise with age. Not because they're eating some magic berry, because their whole day matches what their biology was built for. So let's break down 5 ancient habits and the modern science behind why they still work. First, sunlight in the morning. Ancient humans woke up with the sun, no choice. That light hitting their eyes within the first hour of waking told their brain exactly what time it was. Modern science calls this circadian entrainment. Morning light exposure sets your internal clock, which controls your sleep, your mood, your metabolism, basically everything. Studies show people who get 10 minutes of natural light within an hour of waking fall asleep faster that night and report better mood all day. That's it. Not a supplement, just light at the right time. Second, movement without exercise. Hunter-gatherers didn't hit the gym. They walked for hours gathering food, carried things, squatted, climbed. Constant, low-intensity movement, broken up by occasional bursts of effort. Researchers call this pattern non-exercise activity, and it turns out it's a massive driver of metabolic health. Arguably bigger than an hour at the gym, followed by 23 hours sitting in a chair. You don't need a workout plan. You need to move more throughout the day. Walk while you're on the phone. Take the stairs. Stand up every hour. Third, eating in a tighter window. Ancient humans didn't snack for 16 hours a day. They ate when food was available, and then they didn't eat again for a while. Modern studies on time-restricted eating show that condensing your eating into a shorter window without changing what you eat improves insulin sensitivity and reduces inflammation. Your digestive system, like everything else, runs better with a rhythm instead of constant input. Fourth, real rest, not just sleep. Ancient life had built-in downtime. No emails at 9 p.m., no infinite scroll. When the sun went down, stimulation went down with it. Researchers studying blue light and screens have confirmed what your gut already told you. Bright light at night delays melatonin, wrecks sleep quality, and keeps your nervous system stuck in a low-grade alert state. Ancient humans weren't better disciplined. They just didn't have a glowing rectangle arguing with their biology every night. Fifth, and this one gets skipped constantly, real human connection. Ancient humans lived in tight social groups, constant face-to-face contact, physical touch, shared meals, shared work, and it turns out this wasn't just nice, it was protective. Longitudinal studies, some running over 80 years, consistently find that strong social connection is one of the biggest predictors of a long, healthy life. Bigger than diet, bigger than exercise. We didn't evolve to do life alone, and our bodies still know it. So here's the framework. You don't need to move to the woods. You need 4 checkpoints in your day. Morning light, regular movement, a tighter eating window, real downtime with real people before bed. That's it. 4 checkpoints, not 40 habits. Once you see the pattern, you realize modern life didn't make you weak. It just stripped out the rhythm your body was built around, one convenience at a time. Air conditioning removed the sunlight cue. Cars removed the walking. Snacking removed the eating window. Screens removed the darkness, and notifications removed the connection. You're not fighting your biology. You're just finally working with it again. So tomorrow, don't overhaul your whole life. Pick one checkpoint. Step outside for 10 minutes when you wake up, or take a walk after lunch, or put your phone down an hour before bed and actually talk to someone in the room. Small, ancient, boring, and backed by decades of research. Because you didn't get behind. Your body's been waiting this whole time for you to catch up to what it always knew. You just gave it the update it's been asking for. That's the move.